A single battery can power a small LED light for over 1,000 hours. This might seem like a trivial fact, but it's actually quite impressive. Batteries are a fundamental part of modern life, powering everything from our smartphones to our homes. But have you ever stopped to think about how they work? For centuries, humans have been fascinated by the ability of batteries to store energy. The first battery was invented by Italian physicist Alessandro Volta in 1800. Volta's battery, known as the voltaic pile, consisted of stacked discs of copper and zinc separated by cardboard soaked in salt water. When a wire was connected to the top and bottom of the pile, a small electric current flowed through it. This was the first time humans had been able to harness electricity in a controlled manner. But Volta's battery was just the beginning.
Scientists soon discovered that other materials could be used to create batteries, including lead acid and nickel-cadmium.
These batteries were more efficient and longer-lasting than Volta's original design.
However, they also had some significant drawbacks, including toxicity and environmental hazards.
In the 1990s, a new type of battery emerged, the lithium-ion battery. Lithium-ion batteries are incredibly efficient, with some models able to power a small LED light for over 1,000 hours. But they also have some significant limitations, including the risk of overheating and explosion. So, what makes batteries so powerful? Imagine a tiny storehouse of energy, packed with tiny particles that can be released at a moment's notice. That's essentially what a battery is. A miniature power plant that can be used to charge devices on the go. But how does it work? Chemical energy into typically made of metal electrical energy.
This process involves the transfer of ions between two electrodes, typically made of metal.
The ions flow through a conductive material, such as a wire, creating an electric current. But that's not the strangest part. Some batteries are able to store energy for years, even decades, without losing any of its potency. This is because the chemical reactions that occur within the battery are incredibly slow. But wait until you hear what comes next. Researchers have discovered that some batteries can even be powered by the human body. Yes, you read that right. Our own bodies can be used to generate electricity. This is achieved through a process called bioelectrochemistry, where the body's natural electrical signals are harnessed and converted into a usable energy source. The implications of this technology are staggering and could potentially revolutionize the way we power our devices. But what does this mean for the future of energy production? As we continue to develop more efficient and sustainable energy sources, the demand for batteries will only continue to grow. This raises important questions about the environmental impact of battery production and disposal. However, researchers are working on developing more eco-friendly battery technologies, such as those made from recycled materials. The impact of this technology could be felt for generations to come. So, what can we do to harness the power of batteries in a more sustainable way? For starters, we can reduce our energy consumption by using devices more efficiently. We can also support the development of more sustainable energy sources, such as solar and wind power. And of course, we can make a conscious effort to recycle our batteries and other electronic waste. By working together, we can create a more sustainable future for generations to come. Subscribe for more incredible stories about the science behind everyday objects. Like and comment below to let us know what you think about this amazing technology. Join the conversation, and let's explore the fascinating world of science together. Join us next time for more mind-blowing facts and discoveries.